So over here, you can see that I have an object right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and flip or mirror out the object. In that case, you can go ahead and utilize this flip tool right here. Then what you can see is you see the flip right here, just like this. And there are different sections which you can use to flip. So if I were to go ahead and click right here on one section, then you can see that it flips out right here. Similarly, you can click again to flip it out, click again right here to flip it, and so forth right here, just like this. Apart from that, what you have is you have the center point, as you can see right here. So now if I were to actually go ahead and click and drag this, I can set the midpoint, as you can see right here. And if you were to click, you can see that it uses that midpoint to actually go ahead and flip out. I can simply go around over here, change out the midpoint right here, click on it, and then it flips out accordingly, as you can see right here. So that is what you have. It goes ahead and flips out the content right here, just like this. So now if I were to go ahead and hold Control while I'm flipping right here, so I'm just going to go ahead and use Shift, let's say for example, while flipping, then what happens is that it flips and duplicates the content out right here. Let me just go ahead and drag this up, let's say for example, and if I were to go ahead and hold Shift, then it actually goes ahead and then simply duplicates it out right here. So this is how you can go ahead and utilize the flip object and mirror object option inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.